Hi, I'd like to show you how to do finished goods replenishment in Almyta control system. First, let's go to the item master list. So here's our raw almond item, and as you can see, the supplier is not set. Okay, now let's go to another item, one of our finished goods. The supplier field for this nuts item says make in brackets. And as you can see, that stands for made in-house. Okay, now suppose that we'd like to see a report that shows all of the items that are made in-house and what their stock levels are. Let's go up here to reports and specifically to inventory to order. Okay, so what I would like to do now is to have the system search for all of our items that are made in-house. And to do that, first I'm going to go down here to the supplier name row and set the filter to contains. This will cause Almyta control system to find those items that are made in-house. Okay, time to generate the preview. Here we go. Looks like we have no units of either item in stock right now. As you can see, it shows zeros in the in-stock column for both items. It's time to make some work orders. Okay, so let's go up here to orders and specifically to the assemblies, repair, maintenance order details because we would like to order an assembly. Click the yellow plus sign to make a new order. Now we'll select the item that we wish to assemble. Let's select the first nuts item and order 12 of them to be made. Add top-level bill of materials components only. Almyta control system fills these rows with the necessary components: the raw almonds, the jar, the label, and the flavor. I'd like to show you the warranty status screen. Here we can set the status of our order. As you can see, some of the options are request, open, scheduled, started, and finally completed. Okay, let's go make a second work order for our other kind of finished good. We'll select the honey-flavored nuts as our item to assemble, and we'll order 12 of them as well. Let's set the status of this order to open. Done. Now, how does this reflect on our item master list? Let's go back there. The cinnamon-flavored nuts have no items on order because we didn't set that work order to approved. The honey-flavored nuts, on the other hand, have 12 units on order now, just as it should be. One last thing before I end this video. From here on the item master list, we can actually directly go to see a list of all of the incoming orders that pertain to this item. To do so, let's double-click on the on order text. Doing so brings up a list of incoming orders for the honey-flavored nuts, and here on the screen you can see that work order that we made earlier for 12 units. Double-clicking on the work order ID brings us back to the work order screen.